Time. Have a good ride. Back to go to
Oh, yikes. He pushed the lever for us to go.
Who?
The skeleton.
The water's coming in already. Dang, this was some OnlyFans content and you ruined it.
Jump, jump, jump. That man has a Hooters Mobile, Alabama shirt. Mobile, Alabama.
Really?
Yep.
I think he knows what that is or no?
That's my favorite location.
Alabama?
Mobile. Look at that one set of trees, it's green.
A rainbow. This park is very tiny.
Oh God.
Yes, I'm nice.
Yeah, not that bad.
I'm wet. I'm soaked. I'm nice and wet. I'm nice and wet. I'm nice and wet right now. I'm nice and wet right now. Do you ride that again or no?
No, I don't need to ride it again.
Why? That was really fun. That one had air
Pirates right there. Yeah, those drops are good. I like the weird kink in it.